Sandra, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look using my favorite palette, the Modern Renaissance palette. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, it would really help me out. Alright, let's just get started. I already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay primer potion, and I'm going to take Golden Ochre and I'm going to apply it above my crease and into the outer V. And then I'm going to take Burnt Orange and I'm also going to apply it above my crease and into the outer V. And these two shades will be my transition shades. And what I love about this palette is that it's really pigmented and blendable. And then I'm going to take the shade Real Gar and I'm going to apply it right into my crease. And I'm going to keep building up the color, and I'm also going to apply into the outer V and just really deepen it up. I'm going to use my e.l.f. concealer in the color Fair. I'm going to use my Sonia Kashia concealer brush. I'm going to cut the inner half of my crease. And I'm going to cut the crease a little bit above my actual crease just so it can show a little bit more. And with this, you just want to be really careful and just make sure you're drawing a straight line across. And then just blend down the concealer and then cover the inner half of the lid. And then I'm going to take the shade Primavera and I'm going to pack that onto where I applied the concealer. And I'm just going to keep packing on that color and cover up that whole concealer area, the inner half. And then I'm going to take Cypress Umber and apply it to the outer half of the lid. And then this is just going to help deepen it up. And then I'm going to take Real Gar and apply it between those two shades, just down the center where those two shades meet. And this is just going to help blend it out. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just blend out those colors. And then I'm going to go in with Primavera and just apply it right where I applied Real Gar and then a little bit onto Cypress Umber. And this will just help it transition a little bit softer and then get rid of any harsh line that was there. And then I'm going to take the shade Vermeer and then I'm going to highlight my inner corner. And then I'm using a NYX liquid liner in black and I'm going to do a winged liner on my top lash line. And then to highlight my brow bone, I'm using the shade Tempera. For my waterline, I'm just using a NYX black liner. And then for my lower lash line, I'm going to use the shade Real Gar and put it in the outer half of my lower lash line. And then I wanted to deepen it up a little bit more, so I used Cypress Umber right on top of that. So on the outer half of the lower lash line. And then I already did my foundation off camera and my top mascara. But for bronzer, I'm using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. And then for blush, I'm using the Milani blush in Tea Rose. And then I'm just finishing up my lower lash line with mascara. And then for lips, I'm using the Lord & Berry lip liner in the color Intimacy. And then for lip gloss, I'm using the Tarte Glossy Lip Paint in the color Goals. And that completes this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and thanks for watching.